Morning, folks. Today, guys, I want to share a review on this product, DAC or DAC, whatever you want to call it. What I really liked about this product and what I couldn't find in any other shop, and with this particular company, it's a tire and rubber cleaner. But not only it is a cleaner, it also says it gives it a shine. And what's unique about it is I've never encountered a product that cleans and leaves some kind of product behind on the tire. So it's a cleaner, it's a rubber and tire cleaner, and it also, let's put it this way, it conditions the tire in a certain way. So I've pre-cleaned the tire a little bit, and I'm going to show you how this one works. This is an old rack. I'm going to apply it with a rack because I don't have any of my tools today. This product is sold in Lithuania. I'm assuming this could be a Lithuanian product, but I really like it, guys. It's really unique in that sense because I've never seen a tire cleaner and a tire conditioner at the same time. So what I normally, it's so much overspray. I don't like the trigger spray on this one though. So what I'm gonna do is I pre-sprayed it on the rag, and I'm just gonna go and apply it on the tire. It leaves this charcoal kind of finish. It's not really shiny if you're looking for the shine, but it does leave a nice charcoal kind of color to it, and it also cleans because as you can see, it picked up a lot of dirt at the same time, so it leaves a nice kind of finish. So yeah, this product, let me put some more on the cleaner side. But the only thing I don't like is the sprayer. It just spritz out too much, and you get so much overspray. So yeah, guys, it's gonna dry out. I'm gonna speed it up a little bit. It's gonna dry out, and we're gonna turn the tire to like a satin finish, which I kind of like. I don't like my tires to be too shiny. So yeah, as you can see, this is a 2-in-1 product, and I love it because you can use this on a weekly basis. You can clean your rubber and you can leave a nice finish at the same time. That's what's really unique about this. So yeah, thumbs up for this product. I'm not sure where you can get it, but I'm just trying to show that there are these kind of one-off products somewhere out there in Eastern Europe. They're really nice and good to use because they do two things at the same time. Like and subscribe.